Respected principal, teachers, esteemed guests, and my dear friends, a very good morning to everyone present here. Today I feel honored to stand before you on the occasion of World Environment Day, celebrated every year on June 5th to spread awareness and inspire action for the protection of our environment. World Environment Day was established by the United Nations in 1972. Since then, it has become a global movement encouraging millions of people to protect nature and fight environmental problems. The official host for the World Environment Day 2026 is the country Azerbaijan, and this year's important theme is #NowForClimate. This powerful theme reminds us that the climate crisis is no longer a problem of the future. It is happening now. Rising temperatures, melting glaciers, flood, drought, and pollution are clear signals that our planet is asking for help. But along with these challenges, there is also a hope. Across the world, people are taking positive steps through renewable energy, tree plantation drives, reducing plastic waste, recycling, and protecting wildlife. Even small actions can create big change when done together. As the famous anthropologist Margaret Mead once said, "Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has." Similarly, renowned environmental activist and Nobel Prize winner Wangari Maathai once said, "It's the little things citizens do that will make the difference." These words remind us that the humans and nature are deeply connected. When nature suffers, humanity suffers too. As students, we may think our contribution is small, but it truly matters. Saving electricity, avoiding single-use plastics, planting trees, conserving water, using public transport, and keeping our surroundings clean are simple yet meaningful ways to protect our planet. The earth does not belong only to us, it belongs to future generations as well. It is our duty to leave behind a cleaner, greener, and healthier world. So today, on World Environment Day 2026, let us not just talk about change, let us become the change. Let us act, #NowForClimate, and work together to protect the beautiful planet we call home.